This is the Trangia Gas Burner, and this is an add-on for different kinds of stoves that you can put on. You can add this gas component, and today what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this up with my Firebox 5-inch titanium G2. So I'm going to show you how it sets up with that, but this fits a number of different kinds of stoves. So let's get it set up. Okay, so here is my Firebox titanium G2 5-inch. I got it set up. Now to make this work, you want these pins that you can get off of the Firebox Stove website. So it's Firebox, and so these are pretty important to making it work with this specific application. This video is about this burner, but I want to make sure that everybody understands that you have to have these to make it work with this. Okay, now you have to have these, but you don't have to put these in first. What I've learned about this is that you can go ahead and get your Trangia gas burner in through your feed port first. So that's what I'm going to do. So the proper orientation of this is you want these slots this way, facing you, and you're going to feed the gas nozzle, the gas adjustment nozzle, through the side feed port. And the way you do that is you come in from this corner where this hinge is, and you come in at a 45-degree angle, and you just slightly roll the knob, and it breaks through pretty easily. Now what you can do is you can leave this here, and then you want the inside slots here. I always go to the second one. So you go from this side, put your pin in, and then you go from the other side and make sure that they're in the same spot right here. And now what you can do is feed this down here, and the reason you want these pins for this particular application is they snap in like that. So now it's a solid platform, and so now you can add your gas. So now I'm going to add my butane here, or my isobutane mix. Make sure it's tight but not over tightened. And so now we're ready to light. So the next step is just to turn your gas on, and you're lit. You can't see that, but you could probably hear it. And then you can adjust down to a fine simmer, and you've got a great platform to cook on. You can put your fire sticks on then, and put your pot on. And you can also, with the Firebox, you can also use the grilling grates. So I really like this add-on for the Firebox, and I highly recommend it. Thanks a lot.